It's your girl, Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, today we have our icon box. So this is the IPSY icon box. This is a quarterly subscription. It costs $60 a quarter and you get 8 full-size products inside. They do let you pick, I believe it's 3 or 4 of the products for your box for the month. This month the box is curated by Starr, so I'm very excited to see what's in here and if we got any one-size products, which I'm sure we have. I really do like his line for the one size. Love the primer, the setting spray. That is like my favorite setting spray for the summertime. So sweat proof, beautiful. Just love that thing. So let's get into this box without any further delay because I'm excited to see what's in here. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, we got Starr on the cover. So he is our contributor for the box for this month for the icon box. So inside there's information about some of the products and some information about Patrick, and we also have a little bit more information on the inside here and a little bit of information about him and what he likes. So well, let's get started. Let's get started. I can't wait any further. I can't wait to see what we have. So first item, I have a one size product. This is the Turn Up the Base BB Cream. I have the color. This is dark number 1 in neutral, and this foundation is a $35 value here, and it says your base is about to be bomb thanks to this medium coverage foundation that looks and feels like second skin. So this will be the first time I'm trying this out, guys. I have not used this before, and this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And I'm gonna shake it up. I want to see if this is gonna, I hope it's a good match, but you never know with some of these foundations. Let's take a quick. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just going to use my fingers to kind of tap it out just to see what we're working with here, just so I can really show you guys what it really looks like. So this is what the foundation looks like on my skin, and you know, this is a very bad job of me blurring it out. Very bad job of me blurring it out. This is not really giving you like a really good view, but we're just trying to get an idea of what to expect. Looks like it could work, because you know your skin be funny in the summertime, like you coming out of the winter and you kind of pale and you're not quite dark yet. So sometimes things actually work out, and then by the time you put your other items on, you can still wear things that may not necessarily look like they're going to work. So this is how the shade comes out on my skin tone. So we're going to give it a try and see if we can do a full face with this and if it'll work for us. So I'll keep you guys posted on that one. So again, this product is the Turn Up the Base Blurring Foundation, and this is $35 in value, and I have dark in number 1, and this is the neutral shade here. So let's see what the next item is in my box. And the next thing I'm pulling out, we have LYS. I love them, and this is their Speak Love. This is the duo lip gloss, but I'm just going to go ahead and take it out of the box so I can show it to you again. We have 2 lip duos, and this is a glossy lip treatment. And these are the colors that we have. This one's called Speak Love, and the other one here is called, well, they both say Speak Love. Yeah, they both say Speak Love, so I guess that's not the name because it says Speak Love on the box here. So you got one that's light and looks clear, and the other one looks like it's more like a tinted kind of lip gloss. So I can't wait to try these two. So that is the second thing that's in my box. And it says it's time to say goodbye to dry lips with this product for good. Treat your lips to extra TLC with this limited edition 2-piece lip oil featuring Speak Love hydrating lip treatment oil, and the irresistible non-sticky formula is certified with a nourishing oil blend. So yeah, can't wait to try these out. I do like this brand, LYS. So let's see what else is in our box. And the next item I have, this is by Benefit Cosmetics, and this is the Pore Professional. I like Benefit, but I've never tried this before. This is something I've not quite seen before. It's called the Tighten and Toned Pore Refining AHA and PHA Toning Foam. So it says this product minimizes pores, refines the look of pores instantly and over time. The AHAs and PHAs help to exfoliate, and the bubbly foam helps to absorb quickly and applies easily with fingertips. So let's take it out of here and see what it looks like outside of the packaging. Oh, this is a nice size bottle here. This should last a while. But I've never seen a toning foam before. Like, so this is like a toner, I'm assuming, but just in a foam presentation. Okay. That's something new. Let me see if it's in our little magazine or our newspaper here, if there's any information about this product. Doesn't look like we have anything on this particular one. No, this one we don't have anything on. So let's go to our next item and see what else is in here. Oh, we got another one size product. So this one is the Cheek Clapper. Ooh. Now that's a name, isn't it? The Cheek Clapper. So I have that is the color profile that I have for the Cheek Clapper. And the Cheek Clapper, how much is this? This is valued at $38, and this is a 3D trio blush set here. So this is how it looks outside. And it does have a mirror, which I'm going to kind of cover up so I don't blind you guys. So these are our colors. We have the first one is Sugar BB, Seeking Gin, and then Ova is the last one. So I'm kind of curious how this is going to work out for my complexion, because to me, when I remember picking this, I know this was a product that I picked. I lifted up the thing so you guys can see it a little bit better. But this looked like a dark red, and it even looks like a dark red on here. But notice it doesn't look dark red in person. So I'm not sure how this is going to work, but we'll see. But this product is ultra pigmented palette is what it says. It blends beautifully, so you can wear each shade alone or layered for the ultimate 3D pop. So I'm probably going to have to come on here and do like some kind of video trying this stuff on and let you know how this kind of works out for me. But this is one of the items. I know I picked this item, so that's perfect. So let's go on to the next one. And this one is again $38 for this blush set. And the color that I have is that was the shade that I picked. So let's see what else is in here. So guys, the next item I'm pulling out my box, we have the Topicals Faded Under Eye and Brightening pads for your eyes. You get 6 pairs, and I actually took them out the box so I wouldn't be struggling with them. So these are eye masks. You get 6 of them, and I've heard of the brand before because I think they were good with like fading marks and stuff off your face. Like I remember some kind of cream they have for like if you have like different kind of dark spots, they help fade. So I've never actually used the brand, so this is my first time actually trying out one of the brand's products. So I can't wait to use this. These eye pads or eye mask are valued at $22, and again you get 6 of them, and it's for brightening and clearing eye mask, so for under eye darkness and puffiness. So I can't wait to get this a whirl and see how this works out for me. So let's go to the next item in here. And the next item I have a Saturday skin product, and this is the Pretty Pop. And this is a moisturizer. It looks like a probiotic power whipped cream. So guys, this is skin superfood is what they kind of have it listed as. It's $43, and it says this luxurious whipped cream feels and looks dreamy on your skin, and it's all thanks to the niacinamide, and it also has okra, white lupin, probiotics which help you look more supple and bouncy. And again, this is valued at $43. I'm familiar with the brand Saturday Night Skin, but I have never used this product. So this is basically a moisturizer, and I can't wait to try this. If it makes your skin looks supple and bouncy, so that sounds like it's kind of giving you like a young kind of looking skin. So I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna just take it out the box so you guys can see what it looks like outside of the packaging. Let's see. And this is what it looks like outside the packaging, and this is 1.52 fluid ounces. So this is enough to really know if you really like it. But again, it's a probiotic and it's a moisturizer. So that is that item. So let's see what else is in my box. Oh, I also have a Lawless product, and this is the Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Smooth Tinted Lip Balm, and I have the color Sugar Plum. And let me take it out of here so I can show you what it looks like outside of the packaging. So I'm not sure what the price is. Once I find out what it is, I will go ahead and put it on the screen for the items that's not listed in here. But this is the color, and I think that's a nice color, and this is a lip balm, a balm stick. So it's a tinted balm stick. I think this is a nice color for me. It's a nice dark color balm, which really goes nice with my skin tone. So again, this is made by Lawless, and it's in the color Sugar Plum. So we have one item left in here, and let me show you what that is. And the very last item I have, we have a Kosas product, and I haven't seen Kosas in here for a while. Yes. But so this is the Kosas Grow Potion, and this is for a fluffy brow and lash boosting serum. So that's pretty good. This product is valued at $48. They did give us some information. It says dream of a magic potion that could help your lashes and brows reach their full potential. The serum is powered by a peptide trio of vegan, keratin, and provitamin B5 to help all your wishes come true. And again, this is $48. I'm going to take it out of the packaging here so you guys can see it outside of the box. And this is what it looks like. And it's just a serum. I don't think it's anything special here. It's just like a clear serum, and you're going to put that on your brows and your lashes. I don't have any brows, so I'm going to try this and see if it helps me with my brows that are barely there, and see what happens. I'm pretty good on the eyelashes, but yeah, I'm lacking in the brow department, so I'm going to try this out and see how this works. But again, this is $48. So guys, in review, let's kind of go through what we got in this box. So we have the Kosas Grow Potion for your eyelashes and brows. We have the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop. This is a probiotic moisturizer. We have the topical eye mask. It's for darkness and puffiness is going to help clear all that up for you. We got 6 of them. We also have the Benefit Cosmetics. This is their Pore Professional. This is a foaming toner, which I've never seen before. So tighten and tone. Can't wait to try this out. We have Lawless. This is their lip balm and sugar plum. And we have the LYS Speak Love Duo. I think I dropped one of them on the floor. So this is one of them, but this is the duo for the lip oil, lip gloss. It's lip gloss as far as I'm concerned. And then we have the One Size. This is the Cheek Clapper blush trio. And let me show that to you one more time, one more again. And this is the Cheek Clapper. And this is the 3D blush trio. You can wear them all together or separately. And I have the One Size. This is their Turn Up the Base. It says on here BB cream, but it has foundation listed in our newspaper. And this is what it looks like on the back of my skin. And I think that's everything, right? Yep. That looks like everything. So guys, my favorite items are, look, I'm going to tell you the One Size right off the back, and then the LYS and this Lawless lip tint. They're probably going to be my favorites right off the top, and they're pretty much all kind of makeup products. I am interested to see how this foaming toner works out. Very unique. Can't wait to try that as well. And I guess my least favorite thing will probably be like the moisturizer, because I have so many moisturizers. It just takes me a minute to get through all of them. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you have not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I do post weekly, and I enjoy showing what's in my subscription boxes as well as what I'm purchasing. If that is something you're into, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!